Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today I will show you a 200 watts jewellery welding machine. This one. You can see around this machine. As you can see, this is touch screen and this is microscope. And this is a working cavity. So you can put in there and just use the foot switch. And this machine has water cooler built in. So water cooler can contain a good temperature for this laser. On the rear side, we can see there's some power cable. This is the cable for the foot switch. This is for the air pipe. The gas can be used argon or the nitrogen, so it can blow off the dust when using this machine. And this is the water input. So I will show you how to use this machine. Before we use this machine, we need to collect the water pipe to this input. And we need to use purified water. We need to use purified water. And collect the power cable and cable or foot switch and the gas pipe. So all is finished. Then we just turn on the main switch. And you can see and then we can see the screen is just and first this screen will just self-checking the water and the temperature. Just you see, it's just self-checking. So you can see the self-checking already finished. The water pipe normal, the water temperature normal, and the water pipe normal. And here we can change the language, Chinese, English. 我要 switch English back, so there will be English. After what is self-checking finished, we push start. Just wait what messages comes out. It needs some time. After that, adjust the parameter here. The current, you can, this is 19 ampere, okay. And this is the path width, we can also change. Okay, and this is frequency. Okay, and this is the size of the spotlight. We can change it. Then we can try it. This is a test paper. So I just put in my hand. Put in the cavity. And our foot just use the switch. Okay, you can see this one. So it shows it's okay. This is a light. Now let me show you how to stop this machine. First, we click the stop sign here. And then there will be just some messages. And we wait. Don't click anything. Now the next stop is click here. Okay, now it's turned off. So notice, don't just wait till the message disappears. Okay.